Platinum against US dollar this week has fallen in value, and we can see the price has formed this bearish breakout below 1012 a support level, then reached almost the second support and then returned back up, confirming the previous support, now acting as a resistance. And on a Friday the price has formed this strong bearish candle where the price has gone below this support level and reached the next larger weekly support level at 962. Weekly time frame shows us continuation of this bearish trend, where we can see the price started 2 weeks ago with the bearish movement, and the prices reached this area 962, a support level, which is a very important information on the weekly time frame. A monthly time frame shows us currently a bearish trend. The previous month was a bullish one. This one is a bearish. The month has just started. We have 3 more weeks until this month closes, so we'll see how the month will close. But currently we can see that the price has found a great selling pressure here, which is a resistance that is pushing the price down. Where the price could stop, the next stop could be around this area, around 937, which is a very important. We can see that where the price had problems in the past going up or down. Now this is a small support level between the price reaches 891.55 on the monthly time frame. How the month will close, this is the best to see on the lower time frames. The weekly time frame shows us that 962 is a very important support level. If the price goes down below that, the next is 937.55, which is also a monthly. We have seen here just in between these two price levels, so we can see what was a very important level in the past. It is around 930, a price level. Now this is very important for the price currently on the weekly time frame, but there is also a possibility that the price bounces back up on the support level and then returns back down. For that, it is the best to see on the lower time frame, which is a daily, how the price will behave. Now we can see when the price touches here the support level, the price holds, but if the price goes down below, this will trigger that the price will reach this area around 937.55 a support level. This is right here information when this candle, a bearish breakout here below this support level, has triggered that the price continues to fall down even more. Now this is the level what is very critical before the price goes down, but there is also a possibility, what I have said, that the price after this bearish breakout has formed, like in this example, the price returns back up around 980.32, just tested this resistance as a valid one and then falls down even more. It is similar like in this example here, where the price formed bearish breakout, reached an area, then returned back up, confirming the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and then continues to fall down even more. So this is the target I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down even more, but there is a possibility I'm waiting that the price returns back up before making a bearish breakout. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.